y'all have been waiting on this video. And so today I am filming it. Today I will be showing you all what I got from this thrift. And I think they have like 3 or 4 different locations in the Atlanta area, but I live in Marietta, so I went to the Woodstock location, and it's called Park Avenue Thrift. Everything was only $9.01 at the end of it all. $9.01. That's crazy. So I guess I will just explain. Most of the stuff in the haul is kind of like businessy type of wear, like basics, staple pieces that you kind of need in your wardrobe. Since I've lost a lot of weight, a lot of my stuff did not fit me, so when I came home I needed some things for work, but I didn't have the money yet, so I had to go to the thrift, and these are just a couple of things that I got. Obviously your girl needed some belts because all my belts are way too big now, so I just got these basic, cute little basic you know, belts. So those are the first 2 items I got. Was this, actually I saw this at the end. We were about to walk out and I was at the cash register, the cash register, and I saw this hat sitting on top. I got this super cute hat, and it gives me I think his name is Killer Cam vibes. That photo you see, he's on the phone and he has on the pink hat and the pink coat. Yes, I will attach a photo, but yes, it gives me Killer Cam vibes, and I'm feeling it. I'm here for it. Kind of a risky look, but it could be a look depending on what you pair with it. But it's kind of like this auntie grandma hat. That's kind of my aesthetic as well though, so it's okay. And it kind of, when I washed all these things, it kind of got messed up, but yeah, don't laugh at me because it's looking a little right now, but I'm gonna do a lookbook and I'm gonna pair it with something, and y'all gonna see my vision. Y'all gonna see this cute freaking hat here. Like, I cannot wait for spring and summer because I am living for this. Like, what? This is so cute. I freaking love it. I already know what I'm gonna wear with it, and yeah, so I couldn't pass that up. All right, so now I'm gonna go into the clothes. I got these cute pants, trousers, and when I tried them on, girl, the booty is pow. Like, love the color, great for spring or whenever because we don't follow the rules. The next thing I got is this cute little bodycon dress from Forever 21 actually, and again, it just accentuates all the curves in all the right places. I love the color, and I love that it has this little slit in the back here. Okay, the next thing I got, I actually wore this and posted some photos on Instagram. I'll attach them. But it's this cute, I wouldn't call it a trench coat. I wouldn't call this a trench coat. It's more like a elongated blazer. But yeah, I love this, and I love that the buttons are red. Where are they? They're like a red burgundy color, and it just, like, the contrast with the gray, it's cute AF. In this haul, I also got a couple of sets. So this is the first set that I got, and like I said, just wait until I do a lookbook and then judge, okay? I don't know, I just saw this and I was like, this could be a possible look. This first set is a long golden, very bright golden skirt, and it has slits on the side, on both sides, here and right here, and then it came with this little top slash jacket slash, I don't know, but yeah, y'all, this next set that I got is super cute, super cute, super casual, like blazer set. But I don't know, is this linen? No, it's not rayon. But anyway, this gives me 90s vibes. A lot of this stuff gives me 90s vibes, and that's my aesthetic as well. But yeah, this is the second set I got. It's really, really cute. It's just like a really casual suit set, and I love it. So this is technically not a set, but it is. So it came, is this blazer, and then the vest that goes with it. I wouldn't necessarily wear them together. It just depends on what kind of look I'm going for. But I do plan on taking these shoulder pads out just because I feel like I already have broad shoulders and I just don't want to look too boxy, you know. But again, this is giving me very much 90s vibes. I love the buttons. It just brings out that extra detail. And then in the vest, it has the same buttons. I would probably wear this vest by itself with like some jeans. But yeah, I'm just really feeling this. The next thing I got, like I said, this was mostly a haul for businessy kind of clothing. Simple black skirt. You know, everybody needs something like this in their closet. And then it has the slit in the back right here. The next thing I got are these just basic black slacks. Like I said, everybody needs something like this in their closet. I love these and they fit very well. And girl, again, the booty is looking amazing. So this could actually be considered a trench coat. I'll put it on. I think this did have shoulder pads and I took them out. But yeah, this is just a cute basic navy trench. One of my favorite things I got in this haul. Look at this. Tell me this is not freaking adorable. It is so cute. It's giving me Clueless vibes. It's giving me Chanel tweed coat vibes. Like, it is just so cute. I would definitely pair it with this skirt that y'all gonna see next, and some black tights and some cute little black heel boots. Like, tell me this is not a look. Like, the faux fur, it is just everything. I got this black, it's kind of a mini skirt. It is, it's a little short, but like I said, it's giving me Clueless 90s. I love it. Okay, next thing I got, every girl needs a little black dress in their closet, and this is hot. Like, look at this. Look at these. V-cut. And then I love the asymmetrical deal down here. Like, it's gonna give you a little thigh action. It's fitted, it's cute, it's simple, it's me. Second to last thing is just this top. I don't know. I picked it up because I was like, this could possibly be cute, but it's just a one shoulder, and I'm really into the one shoulder kind of look. I think it looks good on my body type and on my shoulders and everything like that. And then especially if it's the cutout on this side, so I can show off my little tattoo, you know what I'm saying. And so anyway, I just thought this was kind of cute, so I got this top. Last but not least, okay, no, it's not just this, honey, but it is this as well. This is another trench coat that I got, and I don't know, I was just like, I cannot pass this up. Like, the buttons, the color, the scarf that comes with it, the fake part, like, I'm just really into this. And sorry again for how wrinkled it is. I saw this and I said, I got to get it. I just have to. Honestly, I'm in love. Let me see something. I told my sister you could wear this as a dress, you know. I don't know how this looks right now, but I'm feeling this. I'm really feeling this. And I love that it's angled, you know. Honey, this is a look. You can't tell me this is not a look. With some tall, I could do black boots, or I could do like something that's like kind of goldish, like, oh my, or you could do brown if you want to do ignore the turtleneck. You could do a black turtleneck with this, or you could just rock it without any undergarments. You know what I'm saying? And some cute heel boots. Tell me this, y'all. And I don't know, the scarf is kind of doing it for me, because I was saying that I would probably pair it with a belt to pull in my waist. But I kind of like the scarf. Y'all comment down below and tell me your favorite item in this haul. And I'm really feeling this. I'm really feeling myself. I really feel so good in my new body. And I'm not done yet. So I'm feeling so blessed. I'm feeling so happy right now. I'm in a much better headspace. I'm just feeling good. Okay, so I just tallied up everything, and it looks like I got 23 items, which is so weird because I'm about to be 23 on the 25th. But anyway, that's not really weird, I guess. I don't know. Sometimes I read too much into things. I got 23 items for $9.01. I left a member of the family out, you guys. So that we're up to 24 items for $9.01. I got this cute bag, and honestly I would pair it with that hat that I had that I showed y'all in the beginning, but I got this cute little bag here as well. Yeah, I'm sorry I left her out, but she is so cute, and it's just it has no pockets, no dividers, nothing like that. I just love it though. It's just simple, it's cute, and it was 50 cents. So yeah, 24 items. Okay, so Wednesdays is 50 cents. I think Tuesdays is 25 cents Tuesdays. Wednesdays 50 cents Wednesdays, and then they have deals throughout the week. So yeah, look them up. Hook yourself up, girl, guy. It is the truth. I'm gonna stop talking, and I hope y'all enjoyed this haul, and please be on the lookout for a lookbook. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.